Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
MP kaseng BJP bami khmat ya ka Silchar u Dr. Rajdeep Roy. Hakas ngi balang ula Kren halok Sabha, Halor ka Jingsniew palat ka Surok ba National Highway 6, kabanado Jowai ha Meghalaya, hadu ha Kallain ha Assam. Uni MP ula ong bakani ka Surok ba kalong ka Bakongsan, nakabenta banlet sa Barak Valley jong ka Assam, bat ki way pat ki jella. Namar kata ula kentu ya katanat road transport and highways, jong ka sorkar pedeng ban maramot no mardor, ya kani ka Surok ba.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you for allowing me to speak in 0 hour. There are basically 2 roads of entry by road to Barak Valley and 3 adjoining states of Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur. One is the National Highway number 6 through Meghalaya. This section of the road from Jowai to Kallain is in a very bad shape. This is part 1. And part 2 is the 4-lane expressway which goes from Guwahati to Silchar, which was a dream of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. The section between Harangajao to Nirim Banglo, which is around 50 kilometers, the DPR is ready. Through you, I would like to request our Roadways and Highways Minister, Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, who is a performing minister, to look into these 2 issues. One is the maintenance of National Highway number 6 on an emergency basis, and early work order to be released for road section between Harangajao to Nirim Banglo. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to raise this issue.